Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MAX function in Excel. This powerful function helps you quickly identify the largest numerical value within any given set of data. Whether you're working with a small list of numbers or a vast spreadsheet, MAX simplifies the process of finding the highest figure. It's incredibly useful for tasks like identifying top sales, highest scores, or peak measurements in your datasets, making your data analysis much more efficient and straightforward. The basic syntax for the MAX function is straightforward. Equals MAX, followed by your arguments in parentheses. You can input individual numbers, cell references, or entire ranges. For instance, to find the maximum value in cells a 1 through a 10, you would simply type equals MAX open parenthesis, a 1 colon, a 10 close parenthesis. You can include up to 255 separate arguments, giving you great flexibility in selecting your data points for comparison. Beyond simple ranges, the MAX function can handle more complex scenarios. You can specify multiple, non-contiguous ranges by separating them with commas, like equals MAX open parenthesis, a 1 colon, a 10 comma, C1 colon, C10, close parenthesis. This allows you to compare values from different sections of your spreadsheet simultaneously. It's perfect for consolidating data analysis from various sources or comparing performance across different categories within your workbook. When using MAX, remember that it only considers numerical values. Text, empty cells, and logical values like true or false are typically ignored. So, always ensure your data is correctly formatted as numbers for accurate results. If you need to include logical values or text that represents numbers, you might explore more advanced functions or array formulas. Keeping these tips in mind will help you leverage the MAX function effectively for all your data analysis needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.